everybody, welcome to another educational bite presented by Acorn Internet Services. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Acorn Internet Services benchmark report. Every time we build a new site, we update all the marketing on every page of that website, and then we do a benchmark report. The benchmark report shows where you are ranked for specific phrases, and those are the phrases that we use in your titles. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. What you will need is the benchmark report that you received from your project manager and a clean browser. This means that you've cleared your cache and cookies. If you're not sure how to clear your cache and cookies, just Google the name of your browser plus the words clear cache and cookies, and you'll be able to find instructions very easily depending on whichever browser you are using. So let's go ahead and take a look at the benchmark report. And so you can see at the very beginning it has your name and your URL. It shows you when you the organic placement check was done originally, and then the last time it was done. And then it'll show you a list of terms, and these are the terms that are used in the titles on your website, and they're determined by our marketing department. And then you'll notice down the side here different dates, and it's for a 1-year time frame. And so you can see here that these were checked in August of 2015 and then again in February of 2016, and it is now July of 2016, so we're going to go ahead and check these phrases again. So what you want to do is, I just like to copy, highlight the phrase, click Control-C on my keyboard. I'm going to bring it over to my clean Chrome browser and paste it in, and then we'll start looking right away for where this phrase is found in Google. So first of all, you're going to ignore anything that has the little green ad icon. We don't count those because they're paid listings. And you're going to start first with the local listings, which are right under the map on the page in Google. And you'll find, up to 3 listings there. And so we can see right away the Lake House Inn and Winery is number 1. So we're going to go back to the report, and we're just going to say page 1, number 1. All right, so then we'll go back and we're going to look at the organic results, which are under the map. So we're going to scroll down under the map and we're going to look for the Lake House Inn and Winery. Now, one thing that you want to be careful of, right here you can see it says the Lake House Inn, but this is actually the bedandbreakfast.com listing for the Lake House Inn, so we're not going to count that. We're looking at the ranking of the actual website. So we can see here it's right here. And in that case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's number 4. So we're going to mark this page 1, number 4. Whoops. Let's go back over here. And we just say this, page 1, number 4. Now we'll go to our next term, which is Geneva on the Lake Inn. We'll highlight it. Go back to the browser. We're going to clear the browser again, just like that. Clear browsing, we're going to close it, whoops, and then we'll open up a clean browser and we're going to paste that in and check. Again, we'll skip the ads. We'll come down here under the map, and you can see here that we have 3 listings. The Lake House Inn and Winery is number 1 again. So we're going to go ahead and search here and just go ahead and paste that in because it is page 1, number 1. Now you can see here in February it said see organic, and this could be for a couple of different reasons. It could be that the map listing did not have the Lake House Inn listed, or it could be that for some reason Google was changing the way that they are listing things, and there were no maps listings or local listings for that phrase. That happens more often than you would think. So now we're going to go ahead and look for them on Geneva on the Lake Inn in the organic listings. So again, we'll come underneath here, and they are 1, 2, number 3. So we're going to go ahead and put that on here. And I'm just going to copy it. They're the same place they were in February. And then we'll check one more, which is Geneva on the Lake Lodging. So I'm going to highlight that, come back over here, Again, clear history. I clear it every single time. Clear, clear, close it, and reopen it. I'm going to paste that in. And we're going to search again, and we can see here for the phrase Geneva on the Lake Lodging, the Lake House Inn and Winery, is number 2. So we'll go back over here, and you can see that that is where they were listed before. So we're going to go ahead and just paste that on. And then we will go look for the organic listing, which again is under the maps listings or the local listings. And we'll look for the Lake House Inn. If we don't see it on page 1, we'll just scroll down and click on page 2. And here we find them. Again, we're skipping ads. We don't want to count those. 1, 2. So number 2. So let's go back over to our benchmark report, and we're going to see page 2, number 2. Now, before we go ahead and close, I'm going to go ahead and take a look back here, and we're going to go back to the local. If you don't see your inn listed in the top 3, go ahead and click More Hotels, and that will open up your local listings for as many as are available for your location. Sometimes you'll see 6 pages of local listings if you're in a highly competitive area like Asheville, North Carolina, or New Orleans, Louisiana. But if you're in a smaller place, you may only see 5 or maybe 10 listings. So if you don't see yourself, you're just going to scroll down and look until you find yourself, and then say your Uncle Tom's Cottages or Indian Creek RV Resort, whatever that may be, and then you would just count down from the top. There could be ads up here, so if you saw the little ad logo or ad icon, you would ignore it and just start counting down from the top. So that's how you check your benchmark report. Thank you so much and have a great day.